3, 2, 1.
Okay. Would anybody like to offer the answer here?
Look at that.
No, I said I was going to go fast. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so, excuse me. 4x minus 1 plus negative x plus 3
Oh, yeah.
equals 3x plus 2.
About a week and a half already because there was school, so we were approaching the halfway mark really soon. Just a reminder for students, at the end of the day, please make your way, if possible, up to Cleveland Middle for pickup. It does aid in the congestion at the front of the school. So if you can have a pickup arranged at your pickup at the end of the day, over at Cleveland, that will really assist. With the owners of the following 3 vehicles, please come down to the Learning Commons and Summer School office immediately. License plate number is CD262A. That's Volkswagen, white. License number 150RVJ. It's a white Kia.
It's mine.
And 829WRG. You're a Honda. If you own either one of those vehicles, please come down to the Summer School office immediately. Thank you very much.
Because they're about to get towed because you parked in a bad spot. Okay, those are the first two answers. You need all the parts to get the full mark. If you're missing part of it, you get a half mark. If you have any of it right, you get a half mark. That's how I should say it. Okay? Everybody good? Moving on. Sketch the algebra tiles. I'm going to sketch them lame. Because I'm... Oops.
Mine.
So, when I do the math, what's left? 2 big guys. No, not big guys. Sorry, those should be bars, shouldn't they? Two bars. And 5 little guys to get 2W plus 5. Again, 1 mark. Oh, I lie. I lie. 2 marks. 1 for the algebra tiles, 1 for the answer.
Wait. So, let's say on a test you go to the house.
If I said sketch the algebra tiles, you would get 1 out of 2 if you didn't sketch the algebra tiles.
But would you still get a good mark?
You get 1 out of 2, which is 50%.
Not good.
No, because you did half of what I asked you to. Just like if you did half of what I asked you to at your job, you would get fired. Here, you need 6 big guys, shaded, 3 bars, shaded, 2 little guys. Then you're going to add 4 unshaded, 1 shaded, and 1 little guy.
Oh, yeah.
There's the only place there's canceling. 4 of these will cancel 4 of those, leaving you with 2 big guys, 4 bars, and 3 little guys. So the answer is negative 2t squared minus 4t plus 3. Hey, bestie. Word.
That looks so easy.
I know, it's so easy,
I
right?
don't understand that at all.
She's an English teacher. All right. So again, 2 marks there. So we are at a total of 6 marks so far. Please keep in track. Now, 1 mark for everything here. 5r minus 4 for 1 mark. This one is 3h squared plus 7h minus 4 for 1 mark. This one is 4 for 1 mark. Add vertically. 7, 4 for 1 mark. Negative a squared minus 3a squared plus 4a plus 2a minus 5. Add it up, negative 4a squared plus 6a minus 5 for 1 mark. And down here, 8v, you don't have to do it in this order. I'm just doing it in the order that's here. And the answer is negative 2v plus 4v squared plus 6. If you write it in the right order, it's 4v squared minus 2v plus 6. Making that whole page out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and 2 is 12. Give yourself a mark at a 12 at the bottom. Once again, if you do not have it done, you can mark it later.
Isn't 4a 7r plus 4?
That's what I have, 7r plus 4.
11r plus 4?
Oh, it is 11. Once again, more proof. If you go fast, you can screw up. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So it is 2s plus 3. That's one side. Plus s plus 2. That's the second side. Plus 2s plus 5. That's the third side. 2 s's, 3 s's, 5 s's. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 5 is 10 for 1 mark. I even told you how to do it. I sure hope everybody got that free mark. Subtraction sentence. What you have is what you start with. 4x minus 3, and you are taking away 2 x's, and you are taking away a minus 1. And the answer is 2x plus, not plus, you dummy head, 2x minus 2 for 1 mark.
Another one.
Sorry for the interruption. So one more time, with the owners of a white VW,
None of you, you're all in grade 9, you don't need to listen to this.
2
You have negative 3x squared
and a Honda
plus 6x plus 5,
9
and you are taking away negative 2x squared.
right away.
You are taking away 3 x's, and you are taking away 4. And the answer is negative x squared plus 3x plus 1 for 1 mark. Use algebra tiles to show the difference. I just showed you how to do it. You start with this. 3 r's plus 2. And you have to take away negative 2 r's. Wait a minute, there aren't any there. So you add the negatives. Now you can remove them, leaving you with 5 bars. So that's 5r. And you have to take away 3 of these guys, but there's only 2. So you add 1. And you take away 3 of them, leaving you with 1 little guy, which is minus 1. 2 marks there, 1 for the algebra tiles, 1 for that. Here, you've got negative, not negative, I'm going to do the shortcut way here. 4 big guys, shaded, and you're taking away 3 of them. So minus 3, that leaves you with 1 big guy, shaded. You had 5 bars, and you're taking away 4 of them. So minus 4, that leaves you with 1 bar. You had 1 little guy, but you got to take away 2 little guys. So you got to add a little guy and a 0. Now take away those 2, and you're left with 1 little guy. So it is x squared negative plus x plus 1 for 2 marks. Gouda?
Great. That looks great. They're great.
Half mark each.
Oh.
9, negative 3r, positive 2s squared, negative t. Subtract. Again, I don't care if you use all the lines. It's only worth 1 mark, so I'm only going to write the right answer. Okay? 3p minus 9. 1 mark. Cool? Making that page out of 3 and 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, including the triangle question at the top. Here, again, I'm only going to write the right answer. 2h squared plus 9h minus 10. I lie. Sorry about that. No, I was right. For 1 mark. Here. 3, I lie.
Oh my god.
5q squared minus 3q. Well, I want to put it in the right order, right?
Yeah.
Minus 3q. Done. Check each solution. Is this right? So you got to look at what this guy did. He did 7x, so he grouped his 3x's. Or he grouped his x squared. 7x squared plus 3x plus 7. Got rid of his brackets. Cool. Minus 3x. Got rid of his second brackets. There's a mistake there, isn't there? What did he do wrong?
He didn't
change his sign.
change.
That's got to be add the opposites, doesn't it?
Yes.
So there's his mistake, so we're going to fix it up. And the right answer is 4x squared plus 3x plus 11.
What did I do?
1 mark.
So I thought.
In B, again, where's his mistake? Did he change his signs? Negative 2a and negative 3. Ooh, he did change his sign, so he's okay there. When he grouped together, he brought a negative 2a squared over 3 minus. Oh, he's okay there. Negative 2a, he's okay there. 4 minus 3, he's okay there. Is this right?
Yes. No.
Is it or isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. A squared plus 2a. Not quite. He did make a mistake. No, he didn't. A squared minus, yeah, he did. It's minus 2a. Right? Minus 2a plus 2a. Right there. There's his mistake. For 1 mark. Multiply. 4m plus 4. It's 4 times m, 4 times 4. So it's 4m plus 16. This one, 5w plus 6.
Yeah.
So it's 5w plus 5 times 6, which is 5w plus 30. As long as you have 5w plus 30, you get the mark. 2 marks there, 1 each. Write the multiplication sentence. Where do you find the question? Is the question on the sides or in the middle? The question is on the side. So how long is this side? 3, right? How long is this side? 3x
Plus 1.
plus 1?
Or negative.
It's shaded. Minus 1, right? And then what's the answer? 3 times 3x is 9x, which we have 9 x's. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And we had negative 3 right there. Right? What about this one? I didn't set it up in a rectangle, so you got to think. You got 2 of the exact same group, don't you? So it's 2 times x squared minus 3x plus 2. And what does that get you? 2x squared, 1, 2, minus 6x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 4. For 1 mark. Making that page out of 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're on the last page now, yeah? Good. Sketch the algebra tiles. So, you can do a rectangle, or you can just sketch them. I don't care. All right? If I'm going to do both methods, because method doesn't really matter here, right? So I'm going to do this one. I have 3 down one side. 1, 2, 3. And I have 6 R's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and minus 4. So I got 1, 2, 3, and I'm lazy, I'm not going to bother. But over here, I got negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 18R minus 12. Here, I'm not going to do a rectangle, I'm going to do this. 2b squareds minus b plus 3, and I need how many of them? 2 of them. So I draw it again. Negative 4b squareds minus 2 plus 6. 2 marks for each because you had to draw algebra tiles. Multiply. Again, only the right answer matters. Negative 24t squared plus 18. And this one is 24k squared plus 16k minus 32. Which of these is over here? One of these is the right answer. Which is it? C. Because there's negative 15 black bars, 9 little white guys, and it's divided into 3 groups. Sketch algebra tiles. 1, 2, 3 positives, and then I do in 15 negatives. To divide them into 3. All lives matter.
Amen, brother.
All lives matter. The problem with that movement is in their desire to be included in society and avoid racism, they are saying Black Lives Matter and saying we're not you. That sets up an us and them argument, which is not what it is supposed to be. Just because you're a member of a minority doesn't mean you get to say us and them, because that's exactly what has caused you problems.
That's what the government is saying, us and them, because they're also using us and them also.
I know. That's what I just said. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5, little guys. So the answer is h squared minus 5. H. 2 marks, because you need algebra tiles on that. Here, again, depends on how you do it. You could draw this whole thing and divide it into 2. Negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, negative, 1, 2, 3, negative, and 1, 2, 3, 4, positive, divided into 2. And the answer is negative a squared minus 3a plus 2 for 2 marks. And then at the bottom, numbers go with numbers, letters go with letters. Negative 10 over 5 with a z squared and 15 over 5. Numbers go with numbers, negative 2z squared plus 3 for 1 mark. And negative x squared plus x minus 3 for 1 mark. Making that out of 1, 2, and 4 is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4 is 13 on that page. 13 and 8 is 21, and 10 is 31, and 12 is 43. that is going to be out of, you're going to report me your mark on Monday. If you have not done it, and you tried to copy all that down, no big deal.
Because you're gonna fail the test and you're gonna find out and you're gonna throw it away. Right? That's what
Mhm.
I wouldn't fail the first week.